This man. Hi, witch. Are you a witch? Jana is a witch. Kuya is a wizard.
Oh, alright.
Going down, okay? Go down. Wait, help ka ni Mommy. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go inside.
That's fine.
Let's go inside. It's my reception. Oh, golf cart. Aangat mo kasi tumasya. Yan.
Diyan.
Oh. Diyan ka. Sige. Thank you.
Hi there, you're welcome. Ayan. So, welcome to Frights and Delights, ma'am. So, this is quite different lang po kasi may activity rooms that the family will actually do. So, it's not the usual trick where we just give candies.
Yes.
May mga kailangan po sila
That's nice.
Ayan. Okay. This is for you.
What is that?
So, we'll start.
Let's
Don't
go.
be scared, man. It's okay.
Let's go. Go inside. Mom is here. Don't be scared, okay?
So, we'll just down the parang small tunnel. Ayan, dikit na si Reza.
Kuya, dito ka sa
So, let me know which one you would like to start off with.
the witches. Witches and warlocks.
Ayan, so this is the wall of water. So, this is our first game.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Is it scary? It's not scary. It's okay. Go na. Makukuha nyo na yan.
Pag sinabi kong mabilis ang katatawag sa akin, atake mo rin mabilis. 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, yeah!
Laki, iba pa mo sa'yo. Konti. Konti sa'yo. Sige, sige. Masyado. Konti.
Last. Ang angat mong konti. Yan.
Parang doon po, no?
Hindi, konti sa'yo.
Baka may baby boy. Mas kaso ka mo.
Yes! Yay!
Galing!
Yay! Ayan, you're not scared na anymore.
Ito naman po.
So, sa coin. Give mo siyang 2. Where niya? Uh-oh. Jana's turn. Throw the coin. Throw it. One, go, throw.
Throw in the box.
If you remember Harry Potter, yung mess hall.
Kaya picture ko muna kayo dito. Oh, you sit down here. I want to sit down?
So try to see ano dyan yung treat, it's a snack. Each of that that's not a snack.
You're scared. No, don't be scared.
Okay, so which box do you want?
Nasaan yung ano niya? Squash niya?
Sige. Pero medyo parang sige, let's see.
You want to choose a box, Jana? You want to choose a box? It's a surprise box. Okay, you choose one. Kuya will get it.
Sige nga, try to see what it is. Chips mo siya? Sige, kunin na. Kaya mo. Yay!
Ano yan?
Let's go.
What's that? Give it to Jana.
Yay!
Put it in your box.
That's yours. It's yours na. Ang galing mo. First try. Ang mo na agad.
Go. Dito kayo, dito. Scared nga daw siya. Scared daw siya. Scared siya. You put it there. Up.
Kami carry, okay? Bago mo na to.
Put it here. Go. Go. Shoot. Yes.
It's okay. So yung number, yun po yung corresponding point.
Ayun yung points namin. What number? 3. Yay! One more.
Sige mo.
Sige. Kahit sa taas na lang.
What number? High five, high five.
Ay, pa, yung gitna naman tayo, gitna. Dito tayo. Yan na dito tayo.
Kuya's doing magic. One talaga.
Medyo nasa midway na po.
Yay! Tayo. Pati parents nag-enjoy. Oh no, it's a 2. Oh, you might. You will pass there. Picture ko kayo kasi isasali ko kayo sa photo contest. Picture ko muna kayo. Ay, ilalak yan. Alam ko na, i-open yung mga lock. Ano kaya lawan yan? Skeleton.
Sorry, in 2 minutes, tama, 3 pala, sorry, 3 minutes, hahanapin niyo po yung dito. So you have to unlock all before the time expires po, before the time.
Sabi nyo na yung wala.
Dapat kasi isa natin tapos galaw-galaw natin eh.
Kanya-kanya kasi tayo na nag-iiwan. Maliit.
Yan na.
Tao daw yan.
Okay, ito po yung bukla.
Galingan mo kuya ah.
Okay, ready? Let's begin. Please keep storm to snow.
Cemetery. Cemetery. Yes. Yes.
Ito siya yung Mr. Skeleton.
Last answer, vampire.
Ano?
Vampire.
Werewolf.
Oh, last one na lang.
Werewolf, sayang. Eh dito, this mirror.
Ano po siya? Ano po sagot?
Mirror.
Mirror. Okay, look at the mirror.
Ah.
Makikita po kayong message dyan.
Oh, message.
Ayan, sige, i-move niyo yung message.
Message for you.
Message. Sige po.
Kuya, message for you daw. There, there's a
Arrow.
arrow.
Ayan. So look for... there's a
Ah,
message
there, there's this message.
Ay, ano ba?
This one.
Use my reflection to read. Ay, okay.
There.
Saan magbabasa? Magbabasa
Sige,
ako.
dapat mababasa.
Nababasa mo.
Stand tall and quiet in the corner of the room. I have doors but no window.
Ano ulit?
I stand tall and quiet in the corner of your room. I have doors but no window.
I have doors but no window.
Anything that has doors.
I have doors but no window. Eh di cabinet. It doesn't have a window. Right, diba? And then we will open. It's a key. Ito daw.
Ito.
Use my reflection.
Ito, may ano, ba't may... Use me to find the next clue hidden on the wall. So, gagamitin itong UV light.
Ah, okay. Hidden on the wall. Wala na dito. Oh, yan dyan pala dyan. Sige. You look ko yan. Mag-enjoy ka, no? Sige. Ito ba?
Sige, search ko lang. Sige.
Don't be scared. Wala na, sa wall. Ayun. Look for this symbol. 1, 2, 3, 4, asterisk 5.
So, isa siyang thing around this room.
Asan? Ah, dito sa binigyan tayong clue. Kuya, yun. Ay,
Ano to?
check mo yun.
Ah, yun yung key.
Ayun. Open it.
Open it.
1, 2, 3, 4, asterisk 5.
Turn niyo lang yung knob na lang.
No, kuya.
Turn the knob.
Ah, okay na lang.
Turn the knob.
What's that?
Behind every mask is a secret. Find the one that hides the message meant for you.
Hindi, pinakita ko na eh. Advance ako. Advance ako.
Ay, isa lang po.
Spirit!
Isa lang yan. Ay! Mask.
Mask!
Mask.
Ah, mask!
Ayan, may mask. Ito.
Ito, mask. Wow!
Ano naman?
Green!
Ano bang instruction?
May message po sa lahat nila. So, one word.
Ito, free.
You have to say the
Ah, free spirit.
Free spirit.
Wala na. Wala nang mask. Ito pa, oh, mask. Ay, wala.
Sige, look around the room.
Ito. May.
Sige po.
50.
Ano yan?
Sige po. So, tuloy.
May.
Kuya, natin ko na po.
Free. Spirit. My is my free. Is to, hindi 15. Meron pa ba?
Wala na po yun.
Well, yun na. Sige.
Oh.
Ano po yung message?
Kuya, kubuoin mo to. Oh. Oh.
Free. Ito lahat.
Oo, buuin mo.
My spirit is free.
Oh. Yay! Yay!
Dahil na-solve mo na spirit ko na po spirit. Nakawala na siya.
Ayun pala tayo, nakawala na tayo sa ano. Yay!
Kayo, under 3 minutes.
Yay! Diyan na there. Yay! Thank you!
Say
Thank you!
What you say? Thank you.
What will you say? Thank you! Trick or treat! Open your candies first.
No! This is chocolate toy.
Chocolate coin. one each daw. Jana, you get one. Drinks daw, drinks. Next. Sa akin, ano, magic potion. What's kay Jana?
Green monster.
Magic potion kaming tatlo. Marshmallow and chocolate. No, there's a tea. Oh, yan, kuya. What's that? Magic potion. Magic potion drink. Why are you wearing your hood? Only one lang? Look, there's fish. You see the fish? Nemo. There, fish. Nice. Dragonfly. Wait lang. Oh, let's go na. There's the let's go. Let's go to the room na. May elevator daw sila, diba? Go inside. Sige. Go inside. Yay. Mama, will remove your swimming dyan, ha? Na? You want to go swimming? No? Will not swim na? You want to swim or no? Huh? Do you want to swim? Or no? Swim. Okay. Kiss mommy. Okay, bubbles mo na. Teach Jana how to play the bubbles. There! May bubbles na, kaso baka matulas kayo dito. Wow! Si Jana. Kuya, come near here, kuya. Yay. No, mommy forgot your goggles nga. I don't know where I put it back. Turn around. Turn around first. Turn around too. It's Anna. Yay. Oh, Anna, mommy.
Anna.
Okay.
Mommy is Anna. Ang dami.
Anong tinanong mo? 1,000? Dami naman ng fish. That's so yummy. Hi, Kuya. Good morning, Kuya. Ano daw? Breakfast time. Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? Spam. And? What's this? What's this? White egg. Your favorite. You want rice? Let's go. Jana the butterfly. Let's go. Jana's flying. Mabilis. Jana's flying. Let's go. Let's go.